Today's post notification shout out goes out to Life with Danielle Malcolm. Make sure y'all go check her channel out, guys. The link in the description box below and see right there. So just type in Life with Danielle Malcolm. She have a lot of videos, guys. She posts about 4 times a week. Guys, the consistency, make sure you go check her out. Dear future me, congratulations. You did it. Yes, girl, you did it. You did it. You've done it. Yes, you've done it. For me, for you, for us. Now, I decided that I'm going to just record it and post it because I know you stay. I know how you stay, girl. I know how you are. You love to delete things. You love delete. And you will see the video today and accidentally delete it. And tomorrow you're like, what happened? So I'm posting this so that you can have it. Now it's probably 2025, 2026, somewhere thereabout. You decided that you want to come back and watch this video. But girl, I'm just happy for what you have done, what you have overcome. We are great, girl. We are great. Now I know your path has been an hectic one. Today is a day that you weren't feeling all well. I'm not feeling well. We're not feeling well. But I know that you've overcome that, and I hope that in the future you are better than how you are now, because like we are trying to balance ourselves right now. At this moment, we're trying to balance ourselves, and I've loved the steps that you have taken to build yourself. I've loved how you have grown personally, how we have grown at work, how you have grown with peers and encouraging. I've loved how you have grown with YouTube. I love how you have grown with everything that you're doing: school, finances, mental health, overcoming fears, overcoming challenges, and everything. You've done it, girl. You've done it. You've been through it and you have made it. Girl, I'm just saying to you, I love you. You are the best me. You are what I need to be. And I'm here right now looking up to you because you are great. You have grown. You have matriculated into a better person. And what more can one do? What more? And even if you aren't alive at this present day, in 2025, 2026, if you're not alive, I hope that you've done your best. I hope that you've done greatness. I hope that you have accomplished majority of your goals. I hope so. Keep your head high. Keep pushing on. I love you. I'm here for you. I'm still with you. Because no matter what past we have, no matter what we are going through or what we've been going through from day one, we overcome it. And it doesn't change anything. That person is still within us. I'm just happy for you. I would love to see a smile on your face right now. Just give me a smile. Future me, keep doing what you're doing. You look great. Yeah, you look great. You look great, girl. You look great. Big up yourself, girl. Big up yourself. Yeah. I hope that you are not letting anybody trouble your head in. Don't let nobody mess with your mental health. You see me? Yeah. Build yourself. Live. Eat food. Girl, the phone just cut off. And it's gonna cut off again because storage, girl, storage. You don't know these life, baby. You don't know these life. Right now, you're supposed to have your iPhone your TV, your AC, your fridge, your mattress, everything is supposed to be in your own home right now. It's supposed to be living large, living lavish, girl. Yeah, you don't use to these. What are you still there? Oh, hi. Sorry about that. Cut off again. We have 9 minutes and 14 seconds. Yeah, as I was saying, you supposed to be living your best life right now. You're supposed to not be worrying about this and this. You're upgrading. Yeah. So you can spend something. I know say if you could have helped me, you would have helped me. I know say if you could have helped me, you would have helped me. Right, girl? Yeah. But as I was saying, girl, you are my motivation and you are my, as I said before, the better me, the better me, the better me, better me, better me, better me, better me, better me, better me. Oh, and so weird. Tell me something. You reach your 5,000K on YouTube, yes? Oh, 5 years now. You're supposed to hit the 10,000. You're supposed to put out more effort in this. Yeah. Yeah. Push yourself. I realize you stop post. You still a post? Post regularly. Post regularly. Post. Yes, the audience them need to see a post. And if you don't reach a 50K, you soon get there in years to come. And you want to do a video. Sorry about the nice. I know say you don't used to them nice here. You don't used to these nices. Like right now you're supposed to in a room by yourself just watching this video with a nice setup and everything. Yeah, but as I'm saying, no, I don't want you to make no video. Nobody make no video. Just react to this. And I want to see a true reaction. Yes, girl. So girl, just push on, keep living. And remember, I love you. Dekiboo loves you. Boos, I'm asking you also to go over shop Expressionz and shop for your nice home, wear your nice tees, your nice hoodies. You can get those tights, legging, anything you want design, put your logo upon. She'll do it for you. Go over there and make sure y'all shop. The link in the description box below. So remember that shop Expressionz with a Z.